Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change backgrounds on themes. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So first go to your themes, I already have mine open, and then let's start a meeting for example. Just tap this right here, and then tap start meeting. And here, the meeting will start. Now if you're joining the meeting of someone else, there will be a different interface, and you can also change the background there. But if you're in a meeting, like me, you just tap on this more button right here, and then tap on background effects. Now you can choose to blur your background, or you can even change it to these default pictures right here. So for example, you want this one right here, you can apply the background. And there, as you can see, it already applied the background. Now, if you want to test out the background of what it looks like before applying it, for example, this office right here, you can press the preview button right here. And then it will show you the preview of the background. And then you can just hit apply and turn on the video. Okay, what if you want to add your custom background? We can do that as well by hitting the plus sign button right here that says add new. You just press this, and then I already have my picture right here, so let's open this for example. And then you can also preview the image first to make sure that you're using the right image. And there, as you can see, that's the image that I want to use, so I'll just hit apply and turn on the video. And there you have it. As you can see, this is my custom image, and now I can use it as well as background. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.